So we're going to fix this Audi without changing the paint or parts on this vehicle. We're going to fix the metal and bring it back to its original shape using the paintless dent repair method, making it look like this to this in a matter of hours. The paintless dent repair method saves the day again. This metal is extremely damaged, overstretched, requires special tooling, techniques, skill to bring it back to its original shape without harming the factory paint. You can see this deep stretch center on that dent. That's going to require years of experience, of acquired skill, and that's what you're paying for when you hire a PDR or paintless dent repair technician. You're paying for the knowledge that they have to be able to do these types of repairs and bring these cars back to their pre-loss condition. Huge misconception about PDR or paintless dent repair is that we just go in there and start popping dents out, and that's just not the case. I mean, this door literally took roughly 15 hours to complete to the level that you're going to see in the end. And that's typically why it's not a good idea to hire a PDR technician based on the price solely. A reputable technician understands that these repairs take a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of effort, and in order to pull off to a very high level. In terms of cost, we are somewhat comparable to a body shop most of the time when it comes to minor collisions like this. But then again, we can also save you a ton of money depending on the severity of the dent. If it's a smaller dent, dime, nickel, quarter size dents typically are going to save you a ton of money versus having it resprayed or redone at a body shop. But the thing to truly understand is that it's a completely different repair when we are comparing the two, because one involves basically replacing the entire door, respraying the side of the vehicle, and losing your car for a matter of weeks, versus using PDR or paintless dent repair. Car stays original, no diminished value, and we can actually do the repair through your insurance company if necessary. This is just another repair in the books for us, and it is a testament to our commitment to unwavering quality and consistency on every repair that we do. We're just extremely passionate and excited to be a part of this paintless dent repair industry. And of course, the purpose of these videos is to just raise overall awareness, consumer awareness, about the value that paintless dent repair can provide to you and your vehicle investment. If you have a dent on your vehicle and you're looking to have it done with the best solution out there for repairing dents, give us a call, 386-216-5185, or just visit the website at cfldentrepair.com. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.